How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be kind of, I guess stash ad. That's all it is today, because I have nothing really done on me and Seamus's buddy build, the 112 scale GT40s, because I just got a big old tub soaking right now, nothing but chrome parts. I mean, lots of chrome parts that I have to strip, so I really haven't done nothing on it. Today I was out there cleaning the swimming pool and getting it open, getting it ready. So getting it ready for the summer. I have a little niece that's just dying for that swimming pool to be open, so that's what I've been doing there. And then as far as Russell from Russell Model Cars, when he finishes his up, then I'll do the final on it. So other than that, this is a stash ad, and this stash ad is, I went to, well, I mean, it's got some hobby shop ads, but then it's also got some antique ads, and stuff, but antique store, flea market, whatever. But the main thing is I went to a auction in Harrison, Arkansas. It's about 3 hours from where I live here, and it was a older man and woman, I guess, they'd passed away or whatever. And their whole estate was for sale, or being sold off, auctioned off. And they had, the old man, he was retired from the FBI, and he collected the old AMC Rambler promos, promo cars. They were all JOHAN, one's a Hubley. But there was a lot of, like, 21 cars. And me and another guy were bidding on them. We were the only two bidding on them. We were bidding each other up pretty good. But he walked away with 11. I walked away with 10. And but the ones I got are pretty good. I think I got the better deal out of the ones. So it cost me quite a bit, but it wasn't too bad. I mean, but I love my JOHANs. Y'all know I do. And these are all Ramblers. They're all ambassadors. I'll just show them to you. You'll see them, and I'll show you one by one. Some of them are a little bit dirty. Some of them still had like the paper that the promo was wrapped in stuck to it, but we didn't have no boxes to it. I guess they threw them out. I don't know if they've been kept in a basement or what. I really don't know. But the promos were all laid out on the table, and I plan on taking some of them and chrome foiling them. I'm a model builder, so I want them to look good sitting on the shelf. So I know some of them's worth more just to leave them alone, but that's not my style. Like I said, models are meant to be built, and promos a model too, as far as I'm concerned. I'll paint the interiors, I'll chrome foil, I'll probably do some black wash on them. Might even change paint color. Some of them I might even mold and resin cast engines for and stuff. I really don't know, but I don't mind doing stuff like that. Some of you might hate me for it, but that's just the way it is. They're mine now, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright, I'll shut up, and I'll turn this camera around and show you what I got going on. Alright, we're going to start off with this one right here. This one is it's a JOHAN, and it is, let's see, what is that called? That's just a Rambler American, and it's done in red with the white. Let me just take it off that, it'll probably be easier. You can see it's still got some of that stuff will come off and clean off. All that is from the paper that these promos were wrapped in. It's 1965. It's got good interior, two-tone. The chrome's kind of getting a little faded on it and everything, but that's the first one. Let me get the next one out here. Let's start with, let's do another one of those Rambler Americans. This is the convertible, and it's a 1965. You can see the dash. The interior is two-toned. Hubcaps, the white walls, 1965. Very nice kit. Let's start out with, let's see. And this one here, let's see, what is this one called? A classic. This one here is a 1963. This one has a little bit of warpage, because some of the older promos like this were done in a different plastic, and they were tend to warp, where these later ones didn't warp. They were actually kind of in the plastic like the actual model kits. But these earlier ones tend to warp. It don't matter if it's an AMT promo or JOHAN or what. But it's not too bad. I mean, that'll just display on the shelf. I probably won't do nothing with that. Just put it on the shelf. And then, let's see. I got a wagon. This one here, this is a 1961 Rambler wagon, and it is a classic cross-country Rambler custom. You can see that it's kind of a green. Don't know if you can see that in there or not. It's a green metallic with the white. The only thing wrong with this one is the roof rack piece right there, and it's either a little bit of warpage or just a bend to it. I don't know. It might be able to be fixed, but it's in pretty good shape. And then, let's see. Speaking of the wagons, and this one here is a 65 Rambler. Looks like it's got that front end, same front end like a Marlin has. And it's still got the paper on it. It needs to be cleaned off. It's in a dark blue metallic with a white top, and the interior's got two-tone white and blue interior. And this in here is a classic cross-country. But you can see there, this has no warpage and stuff, because this is actually made out of the plastic out of the regular model kit. So those two over there were the only ones that'll have any warpage to it. But so you see that paper, you can just peel it off. I'll have to clean these off. Like I said, I got to figure out what I want to do with them. Then the next one is this one here is a Rambler. Oh, I hit my camera. Rambler. Let's see. Classic. 770. And it's molded in a turquoise or a baby blue kind of blue color with a metallic blue vinyl, or just not a vinyl top, just metallic blue top with blue, dark blue, and the light blue interior. That's pretty neat right there. The damage on this one is the bumper, but I actually have this exact kit, but it's molded in a tan, and I even got the promo box with it, and that's in my own stash, and I can mold the bumper off it and restore this one, so it's not a big deal. And then this right here, this is Ambassador. 1966 Ambassador. It's got a black vinyl top. It's molded in a blue. And it's got blue and like a darker blue interior. You can see right there, 1966. Beautiful car. Let's put this one right there. Alright. Sticking to the Ambassador. Here's one in green. Black vinyl top. Two-tone green interior. 1966, same year model. Excellent. Let's put this one right there. And then my very favorite one. This in here is the 67 Ambassador. You can see right there. Black vinyl top. This is the what they call the SST. It's got the sport wheels on it like the Marlin had. And the chrome's getting a little dull and faded in places, but that can all be re-chromed. That's an awesome kit right there. I love that. Let's set that one out of the way. The very last one, it's not a JOHAN. This one here's a Hubley. You can see right there, Hubley. Scale model by Hubley, made in the USA. And it's a Nash Metropolitan. It's got the spare wheel on the back. I thought that was pretty cool, and it's got the paper on it coming off there, but it just needs to be cleaned up. But that's it for the promos that I bought, and then I'm going to clear these away, and then I'll show you the kits that I've gotten. All right, I ordered this one from Hobbytown. My buddy there, Bob at Hobbytown, owns Hobbytown. He had me one set back. Now this makes number 5. I have 5 of these now. So there's one, Nova Wagon. And then I went by Hobby Lobby and they actually had these in. Let me back this camera up a little bit. Try to get it backed up here. Well, I just knocked it off the stand. See if I can't get this fixed, guys. I don't do no editing, so bear with me. Alright, I seen James Morris had this one right here, and he's doing his nostalgia build on this, and I had to give me one. I think the hardtop's coming out sometime this year. They've restored the molds on it, so I got me 2 of these. You can see the side box art. I got 2 of those right there, 2 of those. And then, let's see, I was at an antique shop, or this might have been flea market, I can't remember. And I got this little Heller kit, and it's in a 172 scale, which Al Woods and Charlie Mack call the gentleman's scale. And thing's in excellent shape. I got that one. And then 172 scale, I got this right here. It's a Tallieri AH-6A Night Fox Scout helicopter. And it's all never been built. You can see the markings there. There's like 4 different markings. It shows 2 here you can build, but there's actually 4. I think that one's Israeli, and not for sure what this one is. I'd have to look and see. Gulf, Persian War, whatever, I don't know. But there's that one. And then we was on our way back from that auction, and I hit a antique shop, and this little Cessna 150 was in there, and it's a 148. Comes with a little stand, 148 scale. So I picked it up. It wasn't much. And then on the way back from the same place, I picked this one up right here. It's a Revella Germany 1/9 scale MV Augusta 500cc 3-cylinder. That's a sexy bike right there. And this is actually a Protar kit, because Tallieri and Revella Germany got all their molds, I guess, when they went out of business or whatever they did and stuff. And I did not pay $35 for it. I got them down to $20, and it was never even opened. I opened it, but it's in excellent shape. But that's for whenever we do another motorcycle build. And then my buddy, my buddy from another town over here in Greenwood, he got me this right here. And this is the Harley Davidson 1/9 scale. And it's a Lincoln Mint, but it's actually a Tallieri kit. It even says it on the box. So that's an excellent kit. And then it's not been built either. And then from him I got this original issue truck, Ford F-150 or whatever it is. I don't know. The box is a little rough on it, but it's not been built. It's still in the packages. There's the original decals and everything. This one has a little bit of problem though. Tire is melted to the cab, which I got a lot of these kits as far as like later issues and stuff. I can fix that. That's no big deal. And then I think some front end parts got melded together right there. And I got extra of those, so it's really not a big deal. So I went ahead, you know, and got that when we made a trade. So that one's a good deal. And then I also got from him too was this right here. It's in the old box here. Let's see. And this is a restore kit right here. This is an original issue. I think it's a comic. So it's been customized and stuff. And actually, when I build this, I might just go ahead and just customize it, because it's going to have a lot of body work done on it, and it'll probably be easier just to customize that. So that's all I got. And I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, new subscribers. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.